Hey, welcome back to YT Finance, and this is the channel where I went to business school so you didn't need to, and today we are talking about Palantir Technologies PLTR stock. In this video, we will be analyzing three articles, to where the first one is titled, Jim Cramer, who once trashed Palantir, says company had a dynamite quarter. He says, and I quote, "I disliked these guys for a long time, not anymore." So we're going to be going over why Jim Cramer has doubled down on Palantir Technologies, why I actually agree with him, and where their future share price could be headed, which is exactly what we're going to be discussing in our next article, which is titled, Where Will Palantir Technologies Stock Be in 1 Year? So we're going to be going over their latest price targets and price predictions by professionals, where I think this company is headed, and we even have a very bearish negative author who used to be a critic of this company, who I have responded to many times saying that he is wrong, and it seems that he has changed his mind to where he believes Palantir stock could be worth around $20 before the year is over, which is phenomenal news. So it's great to see a lot of bearish investors and financial reporters changing their mind about Palantir Technologies, including Jim Cramer. So with that being said, don't forget to go and annihilate that like button for more videos on Palantir Technologies. Subscribe if you are new. Please comment down below your price target for Palantir stock and how high you think the share price will go for the remainder of this year. Also, don't forget to become a member of this channel for as little as 99 cents per month, because that's what keeps me here on YouTube. That little bit literally supports me, and it keeps my content here on YouTube for you to watch. With all of that being said, let's dive right into today's stories, starting off talking about Jim Cramer. And if you didn't know, Palantir Technologies is a big data and analytics company which serves both commercial enterprises and government clients, and this company also specializes in artificial intelligence as well as machine learning. Recently, in a lightning round, Jim Cramer, who is a celebrity investor, showed us his newfound appreciation for Palantir Technologies, where he said, and I quote, "That was a dynamite quarter. We got an upgrade today. I disliked these guys for a long time. Not anymore. I am on the Palantir team," end quote. So this is absolutely huge, not because Jim Cramer is a good analyst or financial reporter, because I don't think he is. However, he does have a very large platform and an extensive audience. So this is going to bring not only more publicity to Palantir Technologies, but this could also convince other investors to buy into Palantir Technologies, which is very good. He also expressed positivity toward a lot of other companies, including SoFi Technologies, Uranium Energy Corp, Blackstone Group, and a few others, including BP as well as Copart. So it seems that he's just spreading the love across all of these different companies, and two of these companies we report on quite often, which would be Palantir Technologies as well as SoFi Technologies, which I am making another video on right now. As more and more investor celebrities like Jim Cramer and Cathie Wood, and professional analysts such as Daniel Ives, and even bearish negative critics like the gentleman we're going to talk about in our last article, the more these people start to talk positively about Palantir Technologies, the higher the share price is going to go based on investor psychology, because it's going to increase the chances of them buying into the overall stock, which will increase the share price. Speaking about their increasing share price, let's talk about where Palantir Technology stock could be over the next year. Palantir Technology stock has already been raging year to date, and it's clear that this company's growth potential has accelerated past expectations, which is phenomenal news. And this company is significantly expanding their revenue opportunity even right now. So that's why we're going to check if Palantir stock, which has already gained approximately 194% year to date in 2023, can sustain this terrific growth momentum over the next year. Currently, Palantir trades at $18.49, although very bullish analysts, such as a 5-star analyst named Daniel Ives, believes this company could surge up to $25 during the year of 2024, and I think this is very plausible. Even though I would be hesitant of this, I do think the company is trading at a huge premium right now, and as long as you have your average cost basis below $13 for this company, then you should be fine for a long-term holding opportunity. Let's quickly address the overall foundation for our Palantir investment, and that would be their fundamentals. For instance, Palantir's solid growth is here to stay, according to this article, to where they brought in Q3 revenues that increased by 17% year over year, up to $558 million. And for the quarter after it, during the fourth quarter, they're anticipating and projecting projecting that that $558 million for the previous quarter will be beat by them bringing in $601 million as the midpoint estimate for their fourth quarter, which would equate to an 18% jump year over year. And this would indicate that they are anticipated to grow their revenue CAGR by 1% from 17% up to 18%, which is actually amazing news. There's also a good chance that they could deliver and beat these estimates due to their fast-growing adoption of their artificial intelligence platform known as AIP, which has been positively impacting the company's commercial business. And if you know, my long outstanding prediction is that their commercial business will eventually outpace the amount of revenue that they are bringing in for their government segment. And once this happens, we will achieve large profits for this overall company. On top of that, artificial intelligence seems to be playing a very large role regarding Palantir's impressive revenue growth and other metrics, including their earnings. And this was evident on their recent earnings call, where their management noted that Palantir, quote, almost tripled their number of AIP users last quarter, and nearly 300 distinct organizations have used AIP since our launch just 5 months ago, end quote. So this clearly indicates that there is huge demand for their artificial intelligence platform, and this could lead to more contracts pertaining to their commercial segment going forward, which would validate my overall prediction about their commercial segment outpacing the amount of revenue that they are bringing in for their government segment. Currently, Palantir is looking to build upon their current momentum to boost their overall AIP demand through their AIP boot camps, which already has approximately 140 organizations, and this is where Palantir trains these organizations onto how to properly use their artificial intelligence platform. But with all of those fantastic fundamentals, let's talk about the hard numbers. How much upside can investors anticipate over the next year from Palantir Technologies? Well, to quote straight from the article, Palantir Technologies stock is trading at almost 20 times sales following its terrific surge in 2023. Its forward earnings multiple of 69 is also on the expensive side. However, it is worth noting that the top line has increased at a faster pace than the sales multiple over the past 3 years, indicating that the company has been able to justify its expensive valuation, end quote. But this also indicates that we could experience a very large pullback in Palantir's overall PLTR share price before we reach metrics such as $20 or $25 over the next year. However, if Palantir's sales growth continues to accelerate over the next year up to $2.63 billion, this could give more credence to a higher share price, and that's what we want to focus on. But don't be surprised if the AI stock ends up delivering stronger than anticipated revenue and earnings growth, which exceed expectations, because they have beat their forecasts and estimates consecutively quarter over quarter for quite some time now. And with the potential inclusion for Palantir to join the S&P 500, that will increase their overall share price and add stability to this very volatile stock. Now, lastly, let's talk about a bearish critical naysayer who has been a critic of this company, who now seems to be changing their mind about Palantir to where they now believe that Palantir could surge up to $20 for the remainder or during the remainder of 2023. And he says this: we suggested that Palantir Technologies, ticker symbol PLTR, may be an appropriate investment opportunity for investors seeking exposure to artificial intelligence software, and I 100% agree with him on that. Palantir Technologies is one of the best artificial intelligence companies that you can buy right now, as well as companies like Google, Microsoft, Nvidia, AMD, Microcomputer, and many others. We also know that the CEO of Palantir Technologies, who is named Alex Karp, emphasized the company's ability to cater to the needs of AI-hungry clients, and this would be commercial clients and even government clients who want more artificial intelligence capabilities. And he says, and I quote, companies across industries in the United States are scrambling to deploy software platforms that will allow them to leverage the power of the latest large language models. And we have built what they need. So Alex Karp saw a need, and then he built the solution to that need to sell Palantir's artificial intelligence platform to these consumers. He goes on to say, we are seeing unprecedented levels of inquiries for our products, and we are optimistic that will break strike in our direction sometime in the near future, which is absolutely phenomenal. So essentially, he's saying that the demand for Palantir's artificial intelligence platform is just getting started, which is why this former bearish negative critic of this company now believes Palantir stock could reach $20 per share before 2024. However, to me, we're just going to have to wait and see, but it is very plausible. And here's the evidence that he gives for this price target. He says that the market is overlooking Palantir Technologies. However, some of the bulls are overlooking some of the challenges that they face, which should not go unnoticed by investors. And the challenges that they face is their very high PS multiple and PE multiple, as well as high stock-based compensation. However, informed investors should acknowledge Palantir's strength and their very resilient fundamentals and their ability to secure commercial revenue, which will outpace their government revenue, which is what I've been predicting for almost 2 years now, or probably around 2 years now. Therefore, this author now believes that Palantir stock could surge up to $20 in 2023 before 2024, to where the company could surge even higher during the year of 2024, which is why he gives this company a B rating, which is a huge improvement from his previous very bearish negative articles. So I would say, well done. I agree with him on this, and it's great to see how investors, financial reporters, and investment celebrities are changing their mind on Palantir or doubling down on their Palantir predictions. So I would love to hear your thoughts down below about their future share price. What do you think this company will be worth for the remainder of 2023 or 2024? I would love to hear your thoughts down below. Go ahead and annihilate that like button for more videos just like this one. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you want, please become a member for as little as 99 cents, because that's what keeps me here on YouTube. With all of that being said, I wish you the best of luck and happy investing.